Hello. As many of you may know, GPT-5 has been released, arguably OpenAI's most intelligent reasoning model to date. And that means you're going to want to update your Syllable AI agents to the latest and greatest version, of course. And I'm going to show you how. This is going to be very quick. So first, head to Prompts, select whichever one of your prompts you want to update, and in my case, I'll choose the weather prompt. Under Provider, select OpenAI. Make sure it's not Azure, as we don't have access to Azure just yet. For something simple as a weather bot, I'm going to use GPT-5 Nano. It's the fastest version and works perfectly fine for this. And that's all you gotta do, so hit save. But hold on, we obviously still want to make sure that everything is working well. So let's test out the new GPT with our agents. Select any one of your assigned agents here, and then press Start Session. I'll ask a question related to weather. How is the weather in San Francisco today? Great. As you can see, it's using the tools correctly. Here, under Weather, it got the latitude and longitude, and I got the time and date as well. And that's it. Nice and easy, right? So go check out GPT-5 at Syllable.ai and start updating your agents to the latest version today. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Build AI agents for every idea.